buildings. Buildings is an essential component also of a good laboratory management. Decisions have to be made. How do we want the building separated? What should it look like? So there are different plans. The first one would be to have physical separations for different reasons. In the current, it could be by rooms. In the lab where we are right now, we have rooms for lunch break for personnel. We got room for the office where we can store the documentation and calculate things. We have the main laboratory where we have all the, we do all the procedures. You know, we have a hot room where the furnaces and ovens are located. And we have an acid room to isolate everything that has to do with sulfuric acid, as it's very destructive. A different way to do it is also through using cabinets and isolators. Yesterday we filmed where we can have wet chemicals separated from dry chemicals, acid separated from bases, you know, volatiles that are stored into metallic cabinets. We can also have separation of air systems. If we have different, you know, we have animal experiments or something, and we want to keep things separate. In the furnace room here, we do produce a lot of smoke. So it's important to have a separation between the smoky area and not smoke your personnel. So, so that's one way to look at it, the physical separation or separation by organization. We did show that, you know, we had an area that was reserved for in vitro organic matter digestibility, which was separate from where we did the fiber analysis, and separate where we did the nitrogen analysis, and separate from the weighing stations that we had. So this is everything that one has to think about when we think about building and building separation, and how that can help make your lab a more efficient place where workflow is not impeded and people can work next to each other without being in each other's feet. So it is absolutely essential. Thank you.